In some of the past videos, I had talked about making a test tool for checking the fuel pressure in the filter on the engine, which is a pressurized filter. And then I also talked about a dump line that has a 43 thousandths orifice fitting. And some people were asking me where I could get, or where you can buy that orifice. And the prices go from ridiculous to absurd. But I did find a company that I think sold them for less than $2 or $3. I don't know if they sell one or if you got to buy 10 at a time. But anyway, I just wanted to put this up on the screen. And this is the part number of this orifice that you'd need to make the 43 thousandth orifice tool. And so let's take a look. So this is the orifice. It just looks like a tiny little screw. It's got the right size hole in it, 43 thousandths. The part number from Interstate McBee is M30455018. This is the orifice that you use to make the dump line. So if you plugged your pressure gauge into the fuel filter on the fuel filter outlet or filtered side on the engine, and then you put this dump line on the fitting that dumps pressure, you could see if the gear pump can supply enough pressure. That fitting or orifice dumps enough fuel that it simulates the amount of fuel the engine uses at full throttle, full horsepower, peak torque. So you can simulate the engine working hard with that line. That's why they made it. You can also watch in that line for bubbles if you use a clear hose off of it. There's never really pressure in that line, so you don't have to have the nylon hose with the sewn-in thread in it. You can have a completely clear hose off of that. Again, that hose is never meant to have pressure in it. It's just a spill hose. So it's a very good tool to check for air on anywhere there's pressure. Again, you've got an orifice in there, so it's gonna control how much can come out of that line. So as far as the orifice itself, it's threaded with a little small tapered thread. You can screw it right into the bottom of an 1/8 inch pipe nipple, a brass 1/8 inch pipe nipple, not steel, but brass. So you can put that nipple into your quick clip connector, and then either put a union on with a barb or just shove the hose up on the other end of that 1/8 inch nipple, and bang, you got your drain hose. I would go to the website and look up their phone number and give them a call and talk to somebody when you order that. It's very hard to find that part on the website because this company sells kits, pretty much engine overhaul kits. And I'm not advocating any of the parts they sell or their quality. I'm just telling you that you can get this orifice there and it'll work. Okay? Thanks for joining me on Engine Shop Joe. See you next time.